Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. We have 27 power x plus 3 power x, this is equals to 68. Here we need to calculate the value of x and x belongs to real number. Look carefully in left hand side, we have base is 27 and here base is 3. We know that this 27 is 3 to the power 3 and here 3. So first this 27 is 3 power 3 bracket power x plus and here 3 power x and this is equals to 68. Now look carefully this term. Here if we apply this rule, a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power n bracket power m. If we apply this rule here, then this 3 and this x are interchanged. Then this is 3 power x bracket power 3 plus 3 power x and this is equals to 68. Now here if we apply substitution and if we substitute 3 power x, this is equals to m. Then in left hand side this expression is m power 3 plus m and this is equals to 68. Now we have a cubic equation which is m power 3 plus m and this is equals to 68. Now look carefully in left hand side, we have m power 3 and here m. So this 68 if we write 64 plus 4, here m cube plus m and this is equals to 64 plus 4 and this 64 is 4 power 3. So m power 3 plus m, this is equals to 4 power 3 plus 4. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then m power 3 minus 4 power 3 plus m minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Here if we apply again substitution and if we substitute m is equals to a and 4 is equals to b, then in left hand side m is replaced by a, so a power 3 minus 4 is replaced by b, then b power 3 plus a minus b and this is equals to 0. Look carefully, we have difference between two cubes. And if we make factor of this expression, then you will get a minus b is multiplied by a square plus a times b plus b square plus a minus b and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, we have a minus b is common factor. So if we take common a minus b is common, then you will get here a square plus ab plus b square plus 1 and this is equals to 0. Now if we write this equation again, here a minus b times here a square plus a times b plus b square plus 1 and this is equals to 0. Now we know that the value of a is m and value of b is 4. So here a is replaced by m and b is replaced by 4. Here a is replaced by m is square plus and a is m, b is 4 plus b is 4 is square plus and here 1. This is equals to 0. Then value of m minus 4 times here m square plus m times 4 is 4m plus 4 square is 16 plus 1 is 17 and this is equals to 0. Now in left hand side we have two factors and we know that if a into b is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then m minus 4 is a and this expression is b. So here you can say m minus 4 this is equals to 0 or m square plus 4 times m plus 17 this is equals to 0. Here value of m is equals to 4. And here we have a quadratic equation m square plus 4 times m plus 17 and this is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation and here we will talk about only real solutions. And here quadratic equation. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic. Here value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to 4 and value of c is equals to 17 and discriminant formula d is equals to b square minus 4 times ac. So here d is equals to value of b is 4 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and c is 17. Now 4 square is 16 minus 68. If you subtract 68 from 16 then you will get minus 52. So here discriminant of this quadratic is minus 52 which is negative. So here we can say no real roots. No real roots. So we have value of m is 4. M is equals to 4. And we know that m is 3 to the power x. So this m is replaced by 3 to the power x and this is equals to 4. Now if we take log both sides, then here log and here log. In left hand side if we apply this rule which is log m power n, this is equals to n times log m. If we apply this rule in left hand side then you will get here x times log 3 and this is equals to log 4. Now x times log 3 and this is equals to log 4 is same as log 2 power 2 and in right hand side if we apply this rule again that x times log 3 and this is equals to 2 times log 2. Now if we divide both sides log 3 then here log 3 and here log 3 then this log 3 and this log 3 is cancel out and in right hand side if we apply this rule which is log m over log n, this is equals to log m with base n. If you apply this rule here then you will get log 2 over log 3, this is equals to log 2 with base 3. So in left hand side we have x, this is equals to 2 times log 2 with base 3. So our value of x is 2 times log 2 with base 3. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then take care and bye bye.